Take cover. Fuck. At the end of the thing, it said, take cover now. No, now is so fuck. Hear that? Take cover now. Dude, this is when I would go outside and look at the clouds. Let's see if it warns everybody again. Actually,